Today, Anna from Flying Steps is going to show us how to tie the Windsor knot. And the length of the tie. Bring the wide end over the narrow end and up through the neck hole. Now, bring the wide end round behind the narrow end. Keep one hand or finger between the knot and the wide end. And up and down into the neck hole. Round in front and over the knot. Bring the wide end up through the neck hole. Down through the hole between the knot and your finger. Pull to secure and adjust the shape and fit to suit. Shape it, tighten it, there you have it. The Windsor knot. Windsor knots work best with a spread or cutaway collar.
Pull it over, you take this narrow end and you just place it over the top, like this, and then you wrap it under until it comes out on this side, just like that, okay? Now once you have it here, you're going to dive it over the top like this, here, and just keep pulling that through all the way, so it went over this way. After that, you're just going to place it and come out the top, okay? So one more time, I'm just going over the front, and then you push it out behind this side right here. Push it out and lay it down. Now keep this tight, especially if you have a shorter tie. Keep everything tight as you're going. Now you're going to lay it over this way. You're going to go behind. So you're going to take this behind here without twisting. You're going to go through this last loop that you created, just like this. Okay? So pull it through there and start tightening it right away with this other hand. Keep it nice and snug like that. Okay? Now this end, you're going to have to put it down behind here, like this. Make another loop, so it's come out on the back. You're going to go for another loop, but this time, once it comes out on this side, you want to take it behind the wide end and pull it out on this side. And you're going to go through this loop this way, so just like this. Pull it through. Tighten this back part, pull this in, make it all neat. Take this end and just tuck it behind. Be sure to drop your collar down. Do up your top button. Line everything up just a bit like that. And there we go. Just line everything up, tighten it up.